The idea of a global cosmic expansion assumes a single, universal mechanism stretching all of space uniformly. For this to work, it must behave identically everywhere, from quantum systems to galaxies to the empty voids between them. But no physical phenomenon behaves this way. If global expansion were real, it would have to be immune to complexity. It would have to operate the same way in every environment. Yet every real substrate in nature changes behavior once complexity crosses a threshold. Gravitational systems depart from simple pairwise interactions and become irreducibly many-body systems. Quantum systems become classical when environmental complexity crosses the decoherence threshold. Biological systems gain new emergent functionality with increasing organization. And galactic systems enter a distinct dynamical regime once gravitational acceleration drops below a critical threshold. These transitions are the rule, not the exception. Nothing in nature remains unchanged across such vast complexity gradients. A mechanism that never enters new regimes is not a physical mechanism at all. It is theology. The standard expansion picture quietly assumes universality. A single, smooth scale factor is imposed on the entire metric. Even where expansion is not observable, inside atoms, stars, galaxies, or clusters, the same global prescription is still applied. Masking is not emergence. Suppression is not context sensitivity. Describing expansion as just the evolution of the metric does not solve the problem. It defines it. A metric that is uniform, smooth, and valid at all scales is a mathematical instruction, not a physical process arising from a substrate. A global expansion has no internal thresholds, no structural dependence, and no response to complexity. The expansion narrative asks us to believe that one phenomenon, and only one, ignores complexity entirely. But physics is contextual. Across every domain we understand, complexity reshapes behavior. A global cosmic expansion is not implausible because of competing models. It is implausible because no physical behavior is immune to complexity. Any mechanism that insists otherwise is not physics. It is belief.